In this video, I will be explaining why cryptocurrency may be about to have one of the biggest bull runs ever. Bitcoin's growth, like the internet, is all about network effects. And like the internet, as more users onboard onto the network grows in utility and value, onboarding even more users. This positive feedback loop, which we're all familiar with, is exactly what's causing Bitcoin and crypto to blow up right now. However, here's 5 more reasons why Bitcoin's growth is bigger than the internet itself. The first reason is because the internet was created in the 90s and 2000s. That growth was hindered by the lack of digital rails. However, Bitcoin uses the rails of today's internet and it's spreading like wildfire. This chart here is Bitcoin's first 10 years compared to the internet's first 10 years, starting in 1992. In the 90s and 2000s, for people who invested in the internet boom, people made lots of money. But the only problem with that was that the wealth generation was primarily confined to accredited investors in the US. With Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, doesn't have that problem. People in China are buying the same Bitcoin network that people in Russia are buying, and people in America are buying. Even people in Bangladesh are buying. The next reason why Bitcoin's growth will be bigger than the internet is because it's now regulated. For example, BlackRock's ETF has just surpassed 20 billion in inflows. Also, the bad actors in the space are now gone. Last time, Bitcoin was at all-time highs. FTX was the second largest crypto exchange by trading volume. They're now collapsed. Also, Binance, the first largest trading volume exchange by trading volume, has essentially been taken over by the US government. The point is that now the largest crypto exchanges are American. At least 50% of the trading volume flows through America. That lessens the ambiguity for big institutional, big money players and makes it easier to come into the market. And the final reason is the Bitcoin halving. The last time we had a Bitcoin halving in 2020, Bitcoin rallied over 60,000. We have since had an additional halving. However, we have not yet seen the second price impact of that supply shock yet.